Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M8 4th generation, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. And then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all kind of currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, and let me choose maybe Greek. Just tap on it and choose the region. And as you can see, in my case, Greek language has been immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one. So we have to first of all reorder the languages to be able to change it. So let's tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. If you want, we can remove the languages from this kind of highlighted languages list. Simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.